Today, we're making labneh from kefir. It has the lowest glycemic impact and is 100% diabetic friendly. It's very healthy, delicious, easy to make, and very affordable. We pour 2 1-liter UHT milks into a container. The fat content should be at least 3%, and the milk should be at room temperature. We add about 5 tablespoons of kefir and stir 3 to 5 times. You can also use a kefir culture. Then we cover the container loosely and let it sit for 3 days, 72 hours, at room temperature, in a dark place. This step is very important. Less than 3 days, the lactose won't break down enough. More than 3 days, the taste becomes too sour and the texture starts to break down. After 3 days, we move to straining. We use a strainer, a container below to collect the liquid, and a tightly woven cloth on top. We pour the kefir into the strainer and cover it. From time to time, we remove the whey. It should be clear and slightly yellow. During fermentation, most of the lactose is already reduced. With straining, we remove the rest with the whey. This takes about 24 hours. You can speed it up by gently turning the labneh every few hours. At the end, we get a probiotic-rich, spreadable cream cheese, one of the healthiest in the world. We transfer it into a glass container. From 2 liters of milk, we get about 600 grams of Kefir Labneh. You can add a little salt if you like. Store it in a closed container in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Now let's divide it into 2 300-gram portions and make 2 more recipes. Let's start with the first one, herb and garlic cream cheese. Here are the ingredients. We finely chop the green parts of 8 chives or green onions and add them. Then we finely chop 10 sprigs of dill and add it as well. If not added before, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and optionally a pinch of black pepper. If you want a thicker texture, we can make a small adjustment. Mix up to 2 grams of psyllium with a little olive oil first. This prevents clumping. Then add it and mix well. Place it in the fridge and wait 10 to 15 minutes for the final texture. The smell and taste are amazing. 100% diabetic friendly, very tasty and low cost. Consume within 5 to 6 days. Now the second one, paprika cream cheese. Add 6 teaspoons, about 12 grams of paprika. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil. If needed, add 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well. If it's too soft, use the same method again. Mix up to 2 grams of psyllium with olive oil first, then add it. In 5 to 10 minutes, it will thicken clearly. Paprika cream cheese is ready. Enjoy! You can safely spread these 3 cream cheeses on your diabetic bread. You can find the recipe link at the top right or in the description. Now let's compare classic labneh and kefir labneh in terms of glycemic impact. The difference is very clear. Kefir labneh values drop to well below even 1/10 of classic labneh are. Net carbs are almost 0. But the real difference appears in the glycemic impact graph. To make it clearer, we also added lactose-free labneh. In the 6-hour curve, it's almost impossible to see the green line of Kefir Labneh. You have to look very closely. The result is clear. This product goes beyond the usual limits of diabetic-friendly nutrition. Also important, lactose-free labneh does not contain lactose, but it still raises blood sugar due to glucose and galactose. Lactose-free products are not diabetic-friendly. On Diabetic Chefs, we will continue to share 100% diabetic-friendly recipes without sacrificing taste. Eating diabetic-friendly does not mean giving up flavor. It means changing habits, adding variety, and making better choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot. See you in the next recipe. Stay healthy.